Yo, Harakez here! Want to make money online without any investment? I rounded up the top 3 apps that actually pay, tested by me and millions. No scams, just working hacks for 2025. Let's dive in. First, Google Opinion Rewards from Google itself. Download the app, answer quick surveys for 5 minutes, earn $0.1 to $2 on Google Pay or credits. I made $10 in a week, effortlessly. Note: surveys come 1 to 2 times a day based on your location. Start with profile setup, and cash flows. Second, Swagbooks, around since 2005. Watch videos, take surveys, or play mini-games. Earn SB points. 1 SB equals $1. Cash out to PayPal from $5. Realistically, $1 to $50 a month for beginners with 1 to 2 hours a day. Note: tasks are simple, no skills needed, and payouts arrive in 2 to 5 days. Perfect for passive income. Third, YouTube Shorts. Like I'm doing. Create short videos without showing your face. Gain views, monetize with YPP after 500 subscribers and 3 million Shorts views. RPM in US, $5 to $12 per 1,000 views. Note: start with niches like money hacks. Upload 3 to 5 a day and hit $100 in a month. No investments, just creativity. Which app will you try first? Comment below, like, and subscribe to @Harakez for more money hacks. Join the Harakez brand revolution. Check out our official website for exclusive tools, the channel for daily updates, and the community group for insider tips. Harakez out. Build your empire in 2025.